व्यूअर, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है कॉमनली यूज्ड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। चलते हैं अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। से पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर करें। द कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यूजली कैटेगराइज बाय देयर डिफरेंट characteristics as a technology, working state, ownership, licensing, as well as using etc. There are number of operating systems which have become very famous at the time of their release, such as DOS disk operating system, Windows 95, Windows NT, net, new technology, or Linux, Linux, Mac, Macintosh operating system, Windows 98, Windows 2000, Professional Windows, Me, Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7. The use of these operating system depends upon user choice. Different user may use different type of computer with different operating system. Main characteristics of the commonly used operating system may include system reliability. It include different functions such as window reporting, automated system recovery, and improved system restore. Faster startup, user-friendly interface, hardware support improvement. This support can be rated to USB. Firewall, Windows image equation or multi-media transfer protocol. Remote desktop features, those features which can allow use to connect with the system across a network and access their different applications like file, printers, etc. Various improvement to system administration tools like Windows Installer, Windows Task Manager, Disk Defray, Mentor, or Windows Script or OS, etc. Network feature such as Windows Firewall and Internet connection sharing. Important security functions such as encrypting file system improvement, credit tile manager, software registration policies. The Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7 have emerged as one of the popular operating system. A figure named as popular operating system shows the above concept in a clear way. The above mentioned operating system as well as still very popular among the user of all image which are described below in detail. Windows XP. Windows XP is a famous and highly compatible operating system. It was produced by Microsoft. It is one of the most famous version of Windows. The name XP is mainly abbreviated as experience. It was released worldwide, both home and professional version in 2001, and the following image shows the Windows XP interface. The Windows XP is a successor to Windows 2000 and Windows Me. Was basically a fast consumer-oriented operating system. This operating system is highly used and very well accepted by users. There are a number of characteristics of his popular operating system such as new task-based आज तक की नेक्स्ट वीडियो